Jamaica Zoo assisting contractor bitten by lion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The management of Jamaica Zoo has been doing everything to assist an attendant whose finger was bitten by a lion at Lacovia St. Elizabeth attraction. The incident was actually captured on video and has gone viral over the weekend. In a statement on Sunday, the management said that it is reviewing the video with a view of preventing any further occurrence. The injured attendant, identified by Jamaica Zoo as a contractor, is seen struggling to get the lion to release his finger after putting it inside the animal's cage. He eventually did and collapsed, much to the shock of the visitors who seamlessly thought it might have been part of a showing. In its statement Sunday, Jamaica Zoo reassured the public that its management and staff pride themselves on a love and care and professional treatment of animals at the facility. The action displayed in a viral video by a contractor of Jamaica Zoo are tragic and not represent the safety procedures and policies that must be adhered to at all times at Jamaica Zoo, the statement said. Pointing out that it was an unfortunate event that should never have happened, Jamaica Zoo, which came about in 2004, said that it is doing everything to assist the injured man in moving forward.
What if you bite, eh?
Alright, so you guys ready?
Ready? Yeah.
Let's go!
What if you became watch out, man, serious.
Come on! Come!
Wow!
Max, come on!
Man, make sure. And in the going on?
Licking funny nose.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you were serious?
We do hope you continue to support Jamaica Zoo. We have always been and will continue to be a safe place for you and your family to visit, the statement ended. Before Jamaica Zoo issued its statement on Sunday, Hope Zoo, located in Kingston, Jamaica, made its own public pronouncement on the awful viral video, stating that the incident did not occur at its facility. We definitely do not condone the abuse of animals for the entertainment of guests. All of our zoo animals are like dear family to us, and we consistently strive to keep them as relaxed and happy as possible. We would never stress out our animals for the amusement of people, Hope Zoo said on its Instagram video posted on Sunday. Since then, there have been other videos circulating online which depicts individuals going against the policy as was outlined in the initial stage of this video. Links 007 TV though will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're always updated with our latest news report. Thanks for watching.